sport compact cars for 2024-2023 Audi S4. As the automotive world gears up for 2024, the sport compact car segment is poised to deliver an exhilarating array of models that combine performance, style, and practicality. Leading the pack is the 2023 Audi S4, a car that continues to impress enthusiasts with its potent engine, agile handling, and luxurious appointments. 2023 Audi S4, Performance Redefined. The 2023 Audi S4 epitomizes the essence of sport compact cars, offering a perfect balance of power and refinement. At its heart lies a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that churns out an impressive 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission, the S4 delivers blistering acceleration and precise handling that is sure to thrill drivers. Audi's commitment to performance extends to the S4's chassis and suspension, which are tuned for agility and responsiveness. Whether tackling winding mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the S4 offers a composed and engaging driving experience that instills confidence in the driver. In terms of design, the 2023 Audi S4 exudes sophistication and athleticism. Its sleek lines, bold grille, and distinctive LED headlights make a bold statement on the road, while the quad exhaust outlets and S4 badging hint at its performance capabilities. Available in sedan and avant-wagon body styles, the S4 offers versatility to suit various lifestyles and preferences. Inside the cabin, the S4 boasts a luxurious and tech-forward interior that combines comfort with cutting-edge technology. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, aluminum trim, and ambient lighting create an upscale ambience, while advanced features like Audi's virtual cockpit, MMI infotainment system, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system provide convenience and entertainment on every journey. Other notable sport compact cars for 2024. While the Audi S4 shines brightly, it shares the spotlight with several other impressive contenders in the sport compact car segment. 2023 BMW 3 Series M340i, known for its potent inline-six engine and dynamic handling, the M340i offers a thrilling driving experience. Mercedes-AMG C43, with its turbocharged V6 engine and luxurious interior, the C43 combines performance with refinement. Lexus IS350F Sport, featuring a powerful V6 engine and plush cabin, the IS350F Sport offers a blend of performance and comfort. Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400, with its twin-turbo V6 engine and stylish design, the Q50 Red Sport 400 provides a compelling option in the sport compact segment. Conclusion. As we look ahead to 2024, the sport compact car market promises an exciting array of models that cater to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. The 2023 Audi S4 stands out as a true benchmark, offering exhilarating performance, luxurious amenities, and timeless style. Whether you're drawn to the S4's dynamic driving dynamics or the unique offerings of its competitors, the best sport compact cars of 2024 are sure to deliver an unforgettable driving experience.